Tesla to launch in-house rental service. Tesla is reportedly preparing to launch an in-house pilot rental program that would function at its collision centers in Texas. According to a now-deleted job listing for Program Manager, Business Development, first spotted by Sawyer Merritt on X, formerly known as Twitter. The link to the listing no longer works, returning a 404-page not found error. But the original poster took a screenshot of the job description, which clearly states that the person's main role will be to lead in the launch of the Tesla rental program in Texas. Based in Austin, Texas, the full-time position will support the team on launching a small pilot in all Texas collision sites, as well as support the launch in any airports for the Tesla employee pilot. The link to the original job listing was also posted by Tesla's staff program manager, Melissa Porch Blakely, on her LinkedIn page. But that seems to have been also deleted, although it's not clear why. Maybe the position has already been filled, or maybe it should have been a more discreet posting that shouldn't have garnered so much attention. It's also unclear how the rental program will roll out. Whether it will only be available for collision center customers who bring in their out-of-warranty vehicles for repair, or if the pilot program will start at the collision center and then expand to more locations. Another theory is that the Austin-based EV brand is trying to get into the car rental business, which would throw it in direct competition with giants such as Hertz, which coincidentally or not has 50,000 Tesla EVs in its fleet and is expecting another 50,000 from the Elon Musk-led firm. Currently, Tesla operates 5 such body shops in Texas, with 2 in the Houston area, 1 in Austin, 1 in Dallas, and another in San Antonio. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.